Ebusia ma mema wo akwaba na enenso no yenhwe ekwan a yebefa so a yebe make money online. Aya na metai enya questions bebre e different for ho say menchira mo 5 best ways a ono betimi dia make money online. Nti ene no me ba be justice to that question. Aba chira 5 best ways a say o Ghana obetimi e dey make money online. Afei say wunyan and subscribe to channel we na wa subscribe na wa turn on notification bell no. Na fe wa like video no obetimi ana wa share dia ma onuanum na onum so behwe kwan yebefa so a obetimi a make money online in Ghana. Emo rain feel say give a big thumbs up to this video na etimi aboa na video no enyini ewo YouTube. Aha say a road to wealth. The edi kan ewo me list and so say sell online, okay? Sell online say either say obe sell product and say obe sell services no ni nyina eye na me dey into bracket mini importation e dey ahye ha say be fa cho obetumi aton ade e dey free baby and bo onye den na won so wasan so aton, okay? That is say e bia say website we say no obetumi aba ha say na abefa product bi ha say na akoton, okay? Nti ne bo enye den nti say offer free ha say a na won so akoton na odon fa so e dey atoso na wonya bi e dey free ho. Nti no online any ebeye nti betumi aye mini importation business. Say unim bribia efa mini importation business ho a me subsequent videos na me dey akyerɛkyerɛ mu pa into details me akɔkyerɛ na wotumi ate ase. Nti me say ton ade e wo online wo service bi anase wo product bi na se wo ton wo online a wobetumi enya sika e dey efrim. Say unim how abaye na me kyerɛ ni nyina e wo sa channel we so. If you hear say obe subscribe and turn on notification bell no so na be yamnya the video to happen na wonya amane bob. First on the list 5 best ways to make money online is sell online. After the second best option about media making money online is create YouTube channel. If I tell obetimi e create YouTube channel enti say o skill bi a obetimi e create video e wo ho metro kwan be fa so a obeye successful YouTube channel and also eye kwan pa ba ko be fa so a odi be make money online nti nya YouTube channel nti we so eye one of the best ways a obetimi dia make money online e wamra o Ghana. Ade a etoso miensa a obetimi aye e dia make money online eye say obeye blogging. Now, one of the best ways of monetizing or blogging is to submit your Google AdSense. That's a Google AdSense for a blogging and as a website need to more. One will provide adverts at the about website and so. Say Obiko or website needs to read particular post na why your honor. That's a interesting adverts and that's a mere advert in so. Through that no obetumi enya sika edi free ho na enya that easily. It depends on your CPC, your RPM, country of your traffic and so ni nyina editor but say YouTube now so nti no opese oye blogging you can go into blogging as well and also betumi aboa what is our website we say we a blog site a news blog site nye de bia na blogging a news e betumi anything about tech, about health, about anything at all what you idea to internet ni so bia. So if you have the skill to write and answer person oh yes I dey na obetumi kwa high for now amateur blog post at the amount. You can also try blogging. Blogging can make you money online if you don't know. Number 4 on my list now affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing no obi digital product and as a physical product and as a DP or ye bia no. So one oton sa service no e the man no go trust some commission bi dia to am say utumi sell sa product na service na once commissioner obenya as one out okoye advert ni mo no na nke ho behia say oye advert to Facebook or advert to YouTube or advert to TV so or advert to any social network so but one yes advert na the man no enti sika kona nkodi betua sa advertising company no na or the sika no at the amount as an affiliate enti no obetumi abas merchant a creative digital product no omodium product no abugu say enti no say onso pese o no o promote sa product na oba na we pick your affiliate link na o promote product no say omoto a na wonya onfa so. Enti the next on my list no drop shipping and I say drop servicing. Drop shipping no say o ton product bi say product we mu say no o wonto ansa waton obeton am obi agisika no na wo dia beto akoma nipa no no na drop shipping no. If I do what a contest nasia so want to say don't worry much mu in my subsequent videos okay. drop service no say what ton service dia ma obi enye wo na wo beye e say wo ba website we so service.obitechsolutions.net services are provided e was our website we so obeka kire nkofo say e bia we develop a website, we develop a app, we designing logos, we hear this, we hear that, okay? Na say nipa no e di n'adwuma ma wo a you are not into that enya de ya no na oye, okay? Nti de be ne say obe pe obi a oye good was ade ne ho akwaje adwuma e wo graphic design ho a we pe obi oye graphic designer na wo di adwuma na ma no so oye ma wo wi a na wotu ya nika na wono o charge o client no na wonya sika no e di efiri ho nya mfaso e di efiri o de service ma obi o ton service ma obi o provide service ma obi enye wo e na obeye adwuma no na emo no nso be high obi na nipa na ya ama na what deduct or profit e di efiri mo e simple as abcd e be sunya more on drop servicing our channel we say so. First on the list is sell online. You can do many importation business and you can create YouTube channel and which means so I blogging, which means I affiliate marketing, and which means so I drop shipping and I said drop servicing. Inti sa nema way 5 and the 5 best ways which me make money online in Ghana. Will you be a free one any year? Inti video may be it will either based on affiliate marketing, blogging, YouTube, and as a mini importation business, and as a drop shipping, and as drop servicing. Say we move from we share any ubitimi. Okay, intino any we are interested biano, not wahama ho, which I said one master, no to me a day, a juma. Subscribe to the channel and now turn on notification bell, not the video and so no like it. Now wash and so the amount from almost who come password on making money online. 5 best ways to make money online, and I'm a day I'm out a day. Into my share videos na di chirinimu na young costo near to us and chere senebeya, you bet me ayasa anywhere.